What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 1999 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's the 883. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see exactly what it is. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're probably interested in this particular bike, so I'm going to point out some things that might seem pretty basic, but that's where we're at. Got the rear tire here, got plenty of life left there, extra tail light with the clear lens cover. I kind of like that look. Got some light marks right here on the bottom of the fender, but nothing too bad. Got your license plate mount, turn signal. You guys know the drill. It was belt driven. There's the belt. See the exhaust there. A little bit of rust here on the screw that's holding down the seat, but nothing major. Back of the sissy bar is looking pretty clean. Here on the side of the fender, all of this is looking pretty good. Even the shock, which traditionally get some rust in here. I mean, there's some little light specks in there, but nothing like some of the bad ones that you see on these, or even the Dynas. So that is that. You see it's got the frame here in case you have the bags on it to keep it off of the springs. You see it's got the Vance & Hines short shot pipes. There's that. Got your passenger peg there. It does have the Sturgis Corbin seat, so that's a nice added feature. Got your oil tank here on the side, the dipstick there. It's got the Screaming Eagle air kit on it. There you can see the motor. All the things in the motor looks pretty good. I don't see anything super major that needs to point out. It is a Harley. It does have a little bit of a drip to it, but it's not actually coming down onto the ground, just into there, so know that. You can see your rider peg, rear brake. Come up here in the tank. So in the tank here, we have some like scuffs and some light scratches in here. Kind of the same thing on the top of the tank. So that's that. Got the Sportster 883 paint on the badge on the side there. Around the side. Turn signal up on the bars. See the headlight. You can see those are nice wide, like the beach bars. It actually makes the Sportster feel a little bit more comfortable for me. I'm 6'3", and sometimes the Sportster is a little cramped. So we got your 4 tubes there. They're looking really good, upper and lower. Just got the single disc brake on the other side. So we'll look at this 4 tube, and then grab a quick look at that brake. There's the front tire. Front tire's looking pretty good, plenty of life left on it. On the front fender, we got a scratch right here, and some scratches right here, but all in all, not too bad, especially for being a 1998 or a 1999. We're gonna look at the motor from this side. See that? So it does have the choke. It is a carbureted motorcycle. The choke, fuel pad cock, all that. Get you a good look at the motor there. There's your rider peg, shifter, passenger peg. Got the chrome battery cover, this little side cover. Again, kind of the same thing with the shocks. The shocks are in nice shape. A little bit of specks of rust starting to show in there on the interior, but all in all, very nice. So there's that. The backrest. This Corbin seat's in nice shape. It's a little on the firmer side, but it is not torn or ripped. It is starting to have some light cracking in here on the back, but nothing major. So you got some scratches here on the tank. We talked about these ones down here earlier. They kind of continue up here a little bit up to the fuel cap. Got your fuel cap. On the side here, you got your clutch, mirror, all these controls, throttle, brake, mirror, and all these controls. Ignition is down here. Turn it on. There you can see 12,928 miles. There'll be a few more after the test drive, so make sure you check out the test drive of this bike on YouTube if you're interested in this motorcycle. Let's fire this thing up. So that is that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Got your front signal there. And front signal on this side. Rear signal there. And rear signal on this side. There you go, guys. Like I said, this is a 1999 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's the 883. Got the Vance & Hines pipes. Got the beach bars up there. It's a nice looking Sportster. Do not miss out on this thing. Thanks so much for watching.